Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you how to knit this gorgeous basket weave stitch. Really cute one, dense one, and it has only 2 rows to repeat. So this is the wrong side. As you understood, it's perfect for blankets, it's perfect for pillowcases, it's perfect for cardigans. For this stitch you will need to cast on the number that is divisible by 2 plus 2 selvage stitches. And now I'm using 5.5 millimeters knitting needles and home decor yarn. Now I switch to circular needles, 5.5 millimeters. It's easier for me to use these needles. So let's start. Row number 1, slip the first stitch. Now what you need to do is to knit firstly the second stitch and then knit the first stitch. How we can do it? Let's slip the first stitch, then knit the second one, then with the tip of left hand needle pick up the slip stitch and right hand needle remove from the knit stitch and right away return it back. So we crossed 2 stitches and now knit the first stitch. So as for me, this is the easiest way how you can do it, but I will show you how to do it in other ways. So let's do it again. Slip the first stitch, knit the second stitch. Now with the tip of left hand needle pick up the slip stitch and with right hand needle make a twist and knit the first stitch. Now I want to show you how you can do it a little bit differently. So you see, it's in my case the right side of each stitch facing me. So I want to turn the first and the second stitch. So now the left side of each stitch facing me. So this one, left side. And now it will be easier to knit the second stitch through the back loop and then knit the first stitch also through the back loop. And you see, absolutely the same result. So let's do it again. Turn, and now knit the second stitch. After that, knit the first stitch and drop all stitches of the needle, both stitches of the needle. And the third variant, how you can do it. Without turning the stitch, you go from back to front in between the first and second stitch and knit it through the front loop. And now knit the first stitch also through the front loop, like this. And you see, we've got a left leaning cable twist, let's say. So again, between the first and second stitch, from back to front, knit the second stitch through the front loop. I hope you see it. Again, from back to front, like this, and also through the front loop the first stitch knitted. And that's what we've got. As for me, the first variant was the easiest one. Slip the first stitch, then knit the next one, make a twist. You can use a cable needle if you want, and knit the first stitch. Slip, twist and knit, slip, knit, twist and knit. So you see, really easy. You don't need to turn stitches, you don't need to insert your needle from back to front. Again, you can turn your stitches in a way that left loop facing you, and now just knit the second stitch through the back loop and right away knit the first stitch also through the back loop and drop off all stitches. As for me, the easiest way is to slip, knit, and then make a twist and knit. Till the end. And purl always the last stitch. Great. Turn and row number 2. Slip the first stitch, and here we will always start with purl 1, and after that we will purl the second stitch and then purl the first stitch on the left hand needle and drop off both stitches and repeat. Purl the second stitch, then purl first one and drop, and we will get another twist. So on the right side it's already right leaning twist, and go on knitting till the end. I will do it together with you. Purl the second and purl the first one. Second and first. Almost done. At the end, you remember that we started from one purl stitch. At the end we have one more purl stitch as here, and purl the last selvage stitch. And it is very important that in row number 2 you don't forget to start with purl 1. So that's what we have, and now you start repeat everything from the beginning, from row number 1. Slip the first stitch, and then make a twist, and you decide how you want to do it. Slip, knit, make a left leaning twist and knit, slip, knit, left leaning twist, and knit. Finish this row, and on the wrong side repeat row number 2, and please again don't forget about purl 1 at the beginning and purl 1 at the end. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Please tell me how you're going to use this stitch. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. If you are looking for the written instruction, please check my blog. Bye!